Actually, bago ako mag-live, nanonood ako ng SB19. Kaya, inisip ko tuloy mag-live na lang para hindi ko kausap yung sarili ko, diba? Oh, it was so good. I love SB19. It's my favorite. Yes, what do you call this? Quantum is near Araneta. Oo, Bella, sobrang ako sa SB19. Yung boses ko, kukunin ako ng langit. Hi, Tita Des! Or si Kay, kung si Kay man yan. Hi, Kay. Hi, Tita Des. Miss ko na po kayo. Tita, sa Sunday, aaten na ako sa ballet. Promise. Nagkataon lang ba Sunday concert, Tita? Pero aaten na ako sa Sunday. Yes. Hi, Kay. Hi. Hi, Ashley. Meron ding nag-shoutout. Mabel. Wait lang. Yung ano ko sa pangalan, ano yun? Hi, Selena Dad. I love you. Miss you guys. Hi! Good evening po. I don't know what's... Oh, ang dami namang nanonood. Ito lang yung itsura ko. Hi, Kilander! Hi, I miss you po. I haven't seen you in a while. Hindi ko din po alam, actually, kung bakit ako ganda. Hi, Kay! Daming Keisha sa buhay ko. Thank you. Sinuklay ko lang yung hair ko. Promise. Hindi po. Sa bahay lang din po ako galing. Funny story din. Kasi kanina dapat magtuturo ako kasi hindi naman pala siya natuloy. Ang dami ko pa naman balak. Tapos, wala, hindi siya natuloy. So, medyo naluha lang ako doon. Pero yeah. Good luck sa exam bukas. Kerian. Wishing all the best in life for you. Hoy! Hi, James! James, nakakainis ka. At tagal mo kasi eh. Si naman, James, dapat naglalaro na tayo. So bagal. Ha! Joke lang. Sorry na, James. Pagkatapos ko dito maglalaro na tayo. Promise. Yes, guys, dapat nga kakalaruin ko yung mga friends ko. I'm supposed to talk to them. But then kasi ang tagal-tagal nila, they're eating and they have to do other things. So like, I had no choice because I was like talking to the wall. And it's weird if I talk to the wall, diba? So I decided to go live. Yeah. Shout out to Selena.myloves. Thank you, thank you. Hi, kay Mike. Shout out to Hershey. Oh my gosh, I haven't tried Hershey in a long time. Oh my gosh. How am I? Oh my god, akala ko na gano'n. I'm breathing. I'm okay. I keep seeing edits of SB19, so medyo hindi ako okay. Hi, Silly.lover. Hi. 5 poses. Wait. Hi. Hi, Kitubi. Ang dami niyo nanonood. Why is there 57 of you? Oh my God. Wait, na-intimidate ako, Emmy. Oh my God. What is happening? There's like so many of you. Hi, Lance. Be, promise. Mag-usap tayo mamaya. Promise. Ang dami niyo, Kinabahan ako. Hindi pwede yan. That's not right. Hey, there's questions here. Am I an engine? Yes, I'm an engine. Sakto lang yung pagiging engine ko. Actually, bias kasi Hisong. Sa mga dyan, Hisong bias. Respect. What's my favorite Taylor Swift song? Recently, I have been getting into Taylor Swift. I love Taylor Swift. I really think she's a great singer. Wait a minute. Bias ko sa Enha is Hisong. Wait lang. I'm gonna look for the song. Because I have it on YouTube Music. Thank you. Shout out Silly Lover. Mama. Yes, we love this song. Wait lang. I forgot what my favorite... Wait lang. Hanapin ko ngayon. Would've, could've, should've. By Taylor Swift. I don't know why. It was just a good... Like, it was a good song. And in general, I liked it. Thank you. Wala akong nilagay na kahit ano sa mukha ko. Pero, thank you. I appreciate it though. Pero, ayun. There's so many of you. Why is there so many? Oh my gosh. Sino yung... wait lang. Bulag ako. Oh my gosh. Sino yung ka-close kasi Sparkle? Recently si Charlie. Kasi nag-ano kami sa workshops. Tapos, siya yung normally na nakakausap ko. So, I would say Charlie as of the moment. And also si Lee. Malapit ako dun sa dalawang dun. Yung twins na yun. Kasi, actually, you know, sometimes when I'm around them, I feel like an introvert. I am. Because, like, they talk a lot. They're, like, the talkers of, like, my life right now. But, like, I don't know what to say when I'm around them. Like, silent for some reason. But, yeah. Recently, si Charlie pati si Lee, yung nagiging ka-close ko. Recently! Pareho silang maganda. I'm not going to choose because they're both pretty. Everybody has their own beauty and that's something that they shouldn't be ashamed of. Hoy! He's so po bias ko. Hi po! So, pwede po tayo mag-meetup. Ha! Joke lang. Masyado na ano. Hi! I'm sorry, I don't know how to say your name. Yes po. I did. Naghapunan na ako. Ang hapunan ba? It's like, what time is that? Isn't that like merienda or something? Or is that different? I'm not sure if that's different though. Hi, Ashley. Shout out to Ibordek. Bias Records and New Jeans. At Bias and New Jeans. My bias in New Jeans is, wait a minute. Wait lang. Wait, what's it? Oh my god, I forgot. My bias is Daniel. My bias record is Minji. I love both of them. Bye-bye! Ingat, always. My bias in IVE is Wonyoung. Wonyoung or Yoonjin. So, they're both so pretty. Like, I can't explain it. Yes, that's right! Fan ba ako ng Blackpink? I like Blackpink but it's not my cup of tea. Ang pinaka-stan ko recently is ITZY. ITZY, IVE, LE SSERAFIM. And a little bit of ENHYPEN. So, ayun. Shout out for the family. Hello. My favorite movie. What is my favorite movie? Actually, it's hard to choose a favorite movie. Wait a minute. Teka lang, let me think of that. And I'll get to you. Hi, Kat! I miss you. Wait lang. Boss ko. Hi! Wait lang. Sorry. Wait. I was supposed to say hi. Thank you. Sana makabalik kayo sa EK. Do I watch Harry Potter? I finished Harry Potter in quarantine. And I really liked Ron and Hermione. I really loved Hermione though. Miss you, babes. What was that? My favorite movie? Wait lang, go back. My favorite movie is... What is my favorite movie? It used to be Wrinkle in Time. It was so good. And I would watch it again though, cause like, it was amazing. Do I watch K-drama? I just finished The Penthouse. Ano may alam? What do you mean? Dito pala si Josh. Hindi ko lang napansin. Sorry, Josh. Gusto ko yan. You know, I don't know why, but I keep seeing, like nagbe-message, just nagka-cartwheel yung tao. Why? Why is that a trend? No, wait lang. My hair is not. Oh, hi, Team Ganda ko. I'm sorry. The Summer I Turned Pretty? Oh, I don't know that. Penthouse is so good. I wish like they would do a Philippine version of the Penthouse, because it's so good. Like, I just finished it, and I don't know if y'all have already watched it, but sa mga ayaw ma-spoiled kasi hindi pa nila napapanood. Ooh. My favorite K-drama is still the Penthouse. It's so good. Ang favorite role ko doon was Verona and Yunbyul. Like, their chemistry, like, the way they fight. Like, yung mga arguments sila, and the fact that it's so hard to act as, like, you're crazy. Like Yunbyul was so great sa palabas na yun. Like, I idolize the way she acts. My accent's beautiful? Do I have an accent? Wait, do I? Fairness. Shout out to Tsunami. Hi. Princess! I miss you! Ingay ko, guys. Sorry. My favorite anime is Haikyuu. I'm waiting for the stuff. Is it the 4th season na ba? Or 5th? I'm waiting for, basta yung pinaka-recent nilang season, yung mag-ano sila, wait lang, ang tagal ko na. Yung Karasu no Patinekoma, I'm waiting for that to go out. I'm waiting. Like, I've been waiting for years, like a year already for that to go out. But I wish na lumabas na siya because like, I need it in my life. I need it. I have a manga of Haikyuu, but I think I have 2 books of it already. Hi, Princess. I miss you. Mwah. Patahimik ako. Congrats to Jess. You know what? It's nice when you guys graduate. It's such a rewarding feeling. It's like you've accomplished all the struggles in your life. I don't know, it's just amazing. Thank you. I love how people like my personality, but the most of it is, you know, it's funny because I always proclaim myself as an extrovert all my life. Kasi like, sorry. Parang hindi ko na alam yung energy ko today. It's like, wow, that's so good for you. Good for you for being at the top of your class. That's so great. Family day. Wait lang. I'll recall the moment. Family day. I think I do. Ang dami kasing sumisigaw eh. Hindi ko na maalala. Hi! Hindi. This is just me. Ha? Joke lang. Ako lang to. Just kidding. I miss you guys. I hope to see you all very soon. Like in person. You know, actually, ang pinaka-dream ko talaga sa buhay ko is to have my own concert. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but I always wanted to like perform on a big stage talaga. That's why like when I was young, I was like at a young age pa, I always like perform on stage and I'm always the one who's reciting. You know, fun fact about me, I don't know if this will come as a shock, pero nagpabinyag ako at 10 years old. That's a fun fact about me. Nagpabinyag ako, 10 years old na ako. And the reason why I did that was because I was the host sa communion namin. If kasi, kung Christian ako, hindi ako pwedeng sumama sa communion. Naman ako, syempre, believer naman ako in God. And, I mean, kasi, although I was old, like, medyo matanda na ako at that time para mabinyagan, I was like, I still want to do it kasi I really wanted to be the host sa namin. Sa communion. That's why nagpabinyag ako at 10 years old. And that's funny. Wala nang naalala ko lang yun. Oh my gosh, major flashbacks. Wala, that's funny. James, kung nandito ka ba sa live na to, huwag mo nang banggitin. James! Sorry, yung James na kaibigan ko sa school, yun yung inaano ko. Oh my God, sorry. out to Sarah. Hello. Ihi ka dyan, James. Ay, nako. Yeah, sa ano ba ako, AK? Ay, ano din, I hope, kasi, magpe-perform kami sa Araneta. Ito lang natatawa. Sorry, guys. You know, I'm unfunny. That's so real. Why did I decide to join Sparkle Teens? Actually, at the time that I was auditioning, I didn't know na, what do you call this? I didn't know that they were forming, They were forming Sparkle Teens. I didn't know that. So, I guess, what do you call this? Wait a minute. Hi, Kamag! Amazing po. Nanood po kayo sa show namin, di ba? Ayun, si Going Back. Wait, what do you call this? Hi, Ma! Kamusta po kayo? Ayan, let me go back. Ano pala, I didn't know na nag-perform sila ng Sparkle Teens at the time I was auditioning. Pero kasi, I mean, I guess at the same, nung nalaman ko na, medyo hindi ko in-expect na because diba they had Sparkada, so I didn't expect na meron pa yung kasunod or something. Kasi syempre, diba, mataas yung expectations ng mga tao sa Sparkada. So, I don't know, I guess it was just a shock nung sinama ko sa Sparkle Teens. Pero ayun, wait, what was the question? Now I forgot. I was just going on about I didn't expect this and that, and then I was like, what's the question again? I'm sorry. Nag-blank lang ako. Hi, Cassandra. Yes, see you guys sa P-Popcorn. I am super excited sa P-Popcorn. It has always been my dream since first kong na-discover ang P-Pop na makasali sa what do you call this? It's always been my dream to perform sa P-Popcorn, especially alongside SB19 na grabe yung nilook up ko sa kanila. Like, even until wait a minute, look at this. That's how dedicated I am. Sino una mong naka-close or nakita nung sumali ka sa Sparkle Teens? Fun fact, kasi the first time I went to GMA, it was December 7. It was the day before my birthday. So, tinawag kami dun sa GMA. The first person I met, kasi I was early, I was the first. Yung una kong nakilala dun was si Ashley talaga. Like, she was the very, very first person I met there. And she was, like at the time kasi syempre hindi naman ako masyadong kilala na tao or like kahit sino masyado. So, to think na in-accept, like parang alam mo yun, tinuring niya na akong friend kagad or in some ways. Nung una namin pagkikita-kita, I was so surprised and I was so like honored. Like na-honored ako, eme. I was just happy na she was the first person I met sa GMA because she put me in a good impression na magiging maganda experience ko sa GMA. Siya talaga. And you know, it's funny, I don't know why people keep saying this na magkahawig kami ni Ashley. Magkahawig ba talaga kami? Or is it just because sometimes of like how do I really look like her? For some reason, I don't see it. Like, it's so hard to see a resemblance namin, if you know what I mean. Like, yung una ko siya nakita, I was like, where? I was looking at it, then I couldn't think of like how we would look the same though, honestly. Sorry na, guys. Sorry. Maano lang kasi ako sa English. Kaya medyo for the English ako. Hi, sa Quantum. Quantum ba yun? Hindi ko na sure. Quantum yata yung tawag doon. Chef Jongwon! My best friend, Ray, she's a big, big fan of Jongwon. Jongwon Baya siya. I joined lang Sparkle Teens nung January lang. This Enchanted? Ano nga ba yun? What's that? Ano ba yun? This is me praying that this was story line ends. My thoughts will echo your name until I see you again. Ano yan? These are the words I held back as I was leaving too soon. I was enchanted to meet you. Please don't be in love with someone else. Wow! Papa pala yung key. Thank you. I actually, singing wasn't my first passion talaga. Hi, Ainsley. I have a friend that's named Ainsley. Thank you. Talaga? Why does people keep saying that? Huy, hindi naman. Huwag naman sana. Please don't be in love with someone else. Oh, so good. Ang ganda smile. You know, that's so nice because sometimes I don't like my smile. I really don't. Because I have mentioned like chubby cheeks a little bit. That's why when I smile, I think I look, what do you call this? I look fat or something when I smile. So I appreciate it when you guys think that my smile is nice. I appreciate it though, because normally I judge myself for that. Thank you. Wait lang. Siya or siya? Sorry, binabasa ko yung mga question. Siya or siya? Sinong siya? Sino yung siya? Huh? Wait, sino mga ba? Hello to Zyron Loves. Do I love Taylor Swift? As of now, I'm entering my Taylor Swift era. Little Taylor Swift era ko na yun. But like, what do you call this? Medyo Taylor Swift ako na yun. Because like, I've been listening to her because she's on my playlist recently. Her and Ariana are on my playlist. But, thank you! I love you guys notice my teeth. Yeah. Thank you. I love when people say that. Speak Tagalog only. Hindi po ako magaling doon, honestly. Sasalita na sana ako ng English. See, guys, mananahimik muna ako, guys. Hindi ko kaya eh. Hindi, sige, I can't do it. Nagpa-dentist. No, my teeth are normally like this talaga. Like, what do you call this? I have never had braces or retainers or whatever you call it. I've never had that before. So, any albums na nasa collection mo? K-pop albums ako. And then I also have yung Wyatt na album. I was supposed to get yung pagtatag na album. But, what do you call this? I stuck with Wyatt albums. Wait. Anong katangian nag... Actually kasi, sa group namin, ang original bias ko, si Sunghoon, kasi mas pogi. But then kasi my friend James, ayaw niya talaga. He didn't want the same kind of bias. But I mean, it's okay. Because I don't mind sharing biases for me. But like, I don't mind if we share biases. But like... But then kasi I discovered Heesung sa For You page ko once and I was like, that's Heesung. I was like, why did I not discover you sooner, like earlier on? But then, James, sorry, nilaglag kita. Nilaglag ko kaibigan ko. James, sorry. Huwag ka masaktan, be. Sorry, be. Huwag ka lang masaktan. Hindi, pero honestly, it's okay though. Because I discovered Heesung and I'm so glad na si Heesung na yung bias ko. Konyo? What do you mean, Konyo? Konyo ba ako magsalita? Wait a minute, what's Konyo though? You know, I keep hearing Konyo, but I don't know what that is, honestly. Oh, hi, Miyuki. I love your name, Miyuki. I always wanted a unique name like that. That's so cool. describe Ashley? Ashley is such a sweet person. She's very kind. Have I eaten? Yes, I have. The first person I met was Ashley. Taglish. Sorry guys. My gosh. Sinong bias ko sa Anaypen? Hisong bias ako. Don't hate your teeth. Everybody has their own kind of beauty, okay? That's why God gave you that kind of teeth, because it was for a good reason naman. Sure naman ako. And everybody has their own beauty, so don't worry, okay? If people don't appreciate you for your personality, then they're not good people and you shouldn't be around them, okay? Like, you shouldn't judge yourself just because you don't like your teeth, okay? There will be other people who will appreciate your teeth, okay? Thank you. It's green. Hi, Kutan! Miss you pa! Is this green? This a purple, red, and mint green and blue. Thank you. I'm excited sa gala. I did meet Shandy. Hindi ko lang siya na-post, pero I met her and she's so pretty in person. And din kasi ako at the time, I also watched yung Lapilus. And I was so happy na nakita ko siya. Gaano ka-hyper si Ashley? Ako kasi I claim to think that I'm hyper. But pagkatabi ko sila, honestly, mas lalo na si Ashley and Charlie and Lee, they're much more hyper than I am. But super hyper is Ashley. On a scale of 1 to 10, wait a minute, what? On a scale of 9 to 10, I would say, what? On a scale of 1 to 10, 9 to 10, sorry. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say yung pag-hyper niya is 9.5. No, I have a picture with her. Hindi ko lang siya pinost because I didn't like how it looked. Yeah. But POV, you should love yourself. I don't know kasi I said love yourself, but then I didn't like how it looked in the picture. This is not. Period. We both don't know the meaning of Guan Yu. That's amazing. Welcome to the world. Welcome to my world pala in general. Wait lang. Oh my gosh. Hi. How do you say your name? Cesare. Hi. Ayan guys, alam niyo ba, bumili ako ng album na naman. So nakuha ko si Jay. My day today was okay. So I have Jay and I have Jongwon. You know ba, all three of these gustong kunin ng friends ko. All three of these. And this pa, wait lang. This one, the Polaroid of Jay. My bias in It's Easy G. Wait, I can't find her. Oh, ito. Ta-da! Yuna, Eugene, and Yaji. And then, this is G, so I bought her album, The Flower. Jay Bias here? Here! I present to you, Jay. My friend wanted to steal this from me, but they didn't. So, I have the cover. Yeah, and also I have this one. Oh my god, Nikki. Yeah. I don't have Hisung yet. I need Hisung. Hi, Vian! Hihi. Hi, Tijana. My bias in IVE is Wonyoung and Yoonjin. Hi, miss you din. P-pop girl group bias. Isa sa naging stand ko sa P-pop was Beanie. Ang first ko naging bias was si si Stacy, and then I transferred to Maloy and Mika. They're so beautiful. Stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. Can I see your binder? Ta-da! I love you guys too, okay? Always drink or eat your vitamins. You know I say that's a stream ko. Always eat or drink your vitamins. Because I don't know if you guys eat or drink your vitamins. Diba there's like medicine that you, what do you call this? You can, like, yung sa spoon, tas, ganun mo. I used to do that. Diba? Mika and Maloy have an impact on me. Hi, Ray! Ray! Hindi pwede, be. Hihihihi. Kaya dito ba yung sasitsi? Tuining talaga tayo kasi eh. You miss ballet. I love ballet. Ballet is my ultimate passion. I would choose ballet on top of everything that I have as a passion right now. Ballet was one of my sole reasons to continue on in life. It was always ballet. Even though, like, I struggled for years na, ballet was always my number one favorite as always. Huy, James, ano ba? Ay, hindi sir, pag pumunta ka sa bahay ko, I'll hold this and I'll bring a scissors so that if you guys ever raid my house, I have scissors to cut it if you guys front me. I'm just kidding. I would never do that with photo cards though because I have photo cards, okay? Hello, hello. Am I a blink? Medyo blink naman ako because I listen naman to their songs, but I'm not like a... Hi, Sabrina. I love that. I'm talking all around the clock. I'm talking all the way nuts. I'm talking opposites. I'm talking loud thoughts. You gotta keep up with me. I don't have Hisung. I wish I had Hisung though. I really wish. Wait. I really like Ashley. Why is everybody saying that though? But I appreciate it. It's nice to be resembled as the gorgeous, wonderful Ashley. Do you know, kapag nagpe-perform parang ibang tao ka, you're so mahinhin magsalita and so sweet. I love to channel my other side kapag nagpe-perform ako, especially kapag yung songs is medyo strong and fierce yung hinihingi. That's one of my favorite things when I perform. It's always the way I switch my emotions. Because I could have a song where I could be sweet, but then I would usually have a song na, like, I would transform into a different person. And that's something that I really appreciate about art and emotion, like, literal emotions. But for some reason, I'm... Si AJ, alam niyo yan kasi nanonood siya sa amin. Basta na sa summer show, kung nakita niyo lang ako mag-Let's Get Loud, guys, ibang anyo ako. That Let's Get Loud is my jam. I listened to that for the first time before and I was like, this is the song I perform and I will give something. I will offer something. Let's Get Loud is my favorite song sa setlist namin. Let's Get Loud. Although, ako naman yung gumagawa ng high notes. But, I love Let's Get Loud. It's so good. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Do I perform? Thank you. I love performing. Especially, like, first ko talaga na-discover yung pag-enjoy ko sa performing when I first When I first did, I was in kindergarten and I played Anna. Wait, yes, I'm gonna watch the P-Pop Con. I'm gonna watch the concert itself. Bye-bye. May idol ka ba sa BTS?
Wait, nag-record ako.
Here's the thing kasi, I'm not much of a boy group stan, but before kasi I used to listen to BTS. Yung bias ko dun was, what's his name? Is it Taeyo? Taeyo ba yung tao dun?
Di ba ba?
K-pop or P-pop? Here's the thing kasi, our group, SMS, started as a K-pop cover group, so that was like the one thing I really got into. But when I discovered P-pop, I was a different person, girl, when I started P-pop. For real. But I think P-pop had a bigger impact on me than K-pop. I love K-pop, but Taeyo was Taeyo, okay. But wait a minute, sorry, but yeah, I think P-pop really hit me in a good way. It's crazy. Good night. Sleep well always. No, I'm at home by myself. Well, my parents are here at home. Will you watch? Pupunta sila dito sa Pilipinas? Kepler? Will they go to the Philippines? Oh my gosh, I have all their albums. My name's expensive, so thank you. I've never thought of my name, Selena, as expensive, but thank you. If Kepler goes to the Philippines, I'm watching. Give me some candy. My favorite song from Kepler was Back to the City. Pupunta sila dito. Oh my God! I'm sorry, guys. Okay. My bias in Kepler is Hikaru. On top, Hikaru. One more PC? Yes. Wait, speaking of Kepler, if y'all don't believe me that I'm a big Kepler stan, this, that proves I'm a K-pop stan. Like, I'm a Kepler stan. For real. That. And I've completed all their albums and I've listened to all their songs. But I just don't memorize them, but I know all their songs by heart. I'm not a big BTS fan. Wait a minute. That's August 11. Mamamoo! Oh my gosh! That's a rat. Oh my god! Should I watch though? Do they sell tickets already? Do they? Wait a minute. Wait lang. Yes! I admire the way they dance. Like, she dances in general. She's so good. You know, like the step, yung ganun nila. Is that in Giri ba? Like, she does the step. And her body roll. To heaven. Yeah. Next year na sila magdi-disband and I'm going to cry, but at least I completed another albums before they disbanded. Yeah. But the important thing is, I stan them. It's sad I didn't stan, what do you call this? I didn't stan IZ*ONE at the time they were in like when they debuted and they had performances. My favorite song from IZ*ONE is Fiesta. Fiesta. Oh, I love Fiesta. Pati yung la 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 love you rose. This is my la 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 love you rose. So good. Huh? Wait, sorry. James? Shh. Ako, Ray, ah. Ako, Ray? Ray, nababasa ko message mo. Ray, nababasa kita. I can read what you're saying, okay? Okay lang yan. Sorry. Babe, kasi naman eh. We know that already, Ray. Let's not get associated. Joke. Hi, thank you. Hindi, wala yun. Ano yun? Ha? Just. Sorry, y'all. This is my friends. Are my friends and they know everything. Shh. I won't give details, but that's why they're my friends. Hi, Savins! Savins ko na po kayo. Oh my God. Sorry guys, napasay-ay lang ako bigla. Sorry. Sorry na. Panorama. She'll take you better. Do you guys know this joke? You see Wonyoung, diba? She says, she'll take you panorama, and then she just walks around. Do you guys know that? I love that meme. Wait, I had to comb my hair. No, sorry. Sorry, I had to comb my hair there. Yeah. I love that joke. Yung, she take you and also yung yung swan. Ooh, okay. Sorry guys. Have y'all seen the other people speak English? Aside from me, have y'all seen their lives? No shame, but I mean like, hindi lang naman ako nag-English sa stream ko. Kaya lang ako nag-English because I think I'm better at English. Honestly. Oh my god, that's so good! And Shadi looks so good in that era. Like this, like recent era. Oh, so good! Alam ko na yung sasabihin niyo, James. I thought they got the hint. They didn't. Malaman niyo na din yan. Kaya niyo na yan. Hi! Because we play sa Roblox word bomb, I personally think I'm very good at word bomb. My favorite song in Lapillus, I don't know why. This is such an underrated song, Gratata, from Lapillus. Gratata, bangit. So good. I love that song. I wish we could go back to that era though. Sino po partner niyo sa gala? Do you need a partner to go there? Tama yun eh. Do you need a partner though to go to to gala? If I did, like, would look for a partner though, can I just put me and myself as a partner? I can be two people. Just kidding. My favorite song of ITZY? In the morning, guess who loves you? Naya, do I show you? Yeah, ikaw talaga, babe. That's my mama chup-chups in that chat right now. Love you, Naya. Eme! You watching? Yeah. Yes. I'm half American. I'm sorry, not half. I'm part Italian, part American, and I'm part Filipino. Majority of it is Filipino because my mom's pure Filipino. Hi, V! Ay, V, buti ka man nakakapunta sa ibang bansa. True. Sell Nea talaga. For the win. If you guys don't know who the Nea is, that's my friend in the chat right now. Kayo talaga nakasama sa dress ko. Favorite song to perform in SMS. I love performing Loco or Yaji bias din ako. Sorry na guys. But gusto niyo ba yun? Yung partner ko silang apat. Ilang beses ako iikot dun Chat lang. You're in Italy? Wish ko talaga mag-Italy. Italy and France, like, especially, like, on Valentine's, I would love to go there. That's my dream. But, like, in... James, nalak ka. Sorry. But, yes, my father is half American, half Italian. What should I sing, though? My voice is not... James! Pa-apply po partner. Gusto niyo ba? But if actually who would I pick though? I don't know. If they would ask for a partner, I don't know. Not sure. I don't know. It's because this is my first gal and I wanna, go talaga. Tama! Yes! Wow. I don't know though. Oh my god. Grabe rin. Ang ganda ng kanta. What do you use for your hair? It's so healthy. My hair's... Well, I mean, I never dyed my hair. Kung sino man pupunta sa P-Popcorn, abangan nyo na yung magiging itsura ng hair ko. Wala lang. hair ko. May pala akong... Ray, mag-usap tayo mamaya. Mag-usap tayo. Mag-usap tayo, Ray. Actually, I want to give you guys a spoiler about my hair, but I don't want to give you a spoiler. That's what I want to do. Good luck sa exam. Kaya mo yan. Carry. Laban. I'm excited for what I'll do to my hair. Let's just say, mag-iibang kulay ako. Mag-iibang kulay ako na hair. Sikat na lang yung kulay. Because I'm so excited. I've never colored my hair before. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna bleach it. But I'm gonna color my hair. But it's only lang. It's not permanent, it's temporary. Yeah. I'm so excited! I can't wait to dye my hair. Like, I am over the moon excited. Like, this is probably the only time I'll get to dye my hair. Then after that, I can't. And it's funny pa din kasi like, ano tawag dito? Wait, na-lost ako. Oh my God. Wait, I forgot what I was saying. What was I saying about my hair, right? Yeah. Actually, what do you call this? I cut my hair back in 2021 because I was like, I don't want long hair. But now, medyo regret ko siya. Yeah, medyo regret ko na siya. I at least want my hair to be like until here. Hi, B! I miss you. Buti ka pa nakapunta sa ibang bansa. Ha! Good luck, Josh. You can do it. I know you can. Laban yan, laban. Oh my God. Sorry, nagulat ako. Can you sing? Wait. What's a good song to sing? What's my height? 5'5", I think. 5'5" yata. What's your real name? I believe. Ah! Guys, wait lang. Medyo ako. Nalulutang lang ako dito. What do you guys want me to sing? Do you have any... I don't memorize Taylor Swift songs. Let me just remind you, I'm not... Ray! Oh, I don't know that. I got a few comments that I look like Mutia. Do I really look like her? Oh my God, that would be such an honor if I look like Mutia. I love Mutia. She's so pretty. Like, she's... Oh my God. Like, I would do anything to be her assistant. Huh? Joke lang. I would do anything to be friends with Mutia. She's beautiful. They look alike so bad. Shanti and Ate Shanti and Key Shanti. They could be siblings for all I know. What's tagu-tagu? Ano yun? Hide and seek pa tayo? No, hindi kami friends. Hopefully soon, diba? Hello, I don't know. Tagu-taguan. No, I have never seen Mutia in real life, but I hope one day mabigyan ako ng opportunity to see her in person because she's so pretty. Like, whoever is friends with her must be very, very lucky. I'm sure of that. Totoo naman, hide and seek yun, diba? Tagu-taguan. No, but honestly, I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Ooh, I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. Wow. That was... umuulan sa inyo. Sana po tumigil yung ulan. Lamig ng boses. Thank you. Malamig mo pa. Ganong lamig. Brian? Oh, that's a cute name. That's cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. I did something, okay? Hi, Miyuki. Hi, Miyuki and Cassie. Hi, Chelsea. I hope to see you all very soon, like in person. Ay, nandun po ba kayo sa concert ng SB19? Who's the most Bibo? Is Bibo like energetic? Wayan! Oh, that's nice. Thank you. I appreciate it though. Who's the most Bibo? I could say Ashley or Charlie. Or Princess. Like basically all three of them because they're so Bibo. I could never, like never in my life, I cannot be as Bibo as them. Ako po yung nagtataas nung, basta nagtataas po ako ng album doon, tas nasigaw-sigaw po ako. Yes, that's me. Ano pa bang kanta? Alam niyo ba, I was, so happy. Oh my God, I was so happy when SB19 performed Ilaw. That was my favorite song from them. So good. Yeah. Wait. Oh my gosh. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. Oh, what? Wait. Oh my gosh. I really hope I have an album one day. Oh my gosh. That's my dream. I don't medyo memorize you. I wanna be yours. I wanna be a vacuum cleaner. Breathing in your... never mind. I don't know it. Ha! It's a prank. Sorry. Di ko sa kabisado pala. Joke. Yung ginawa ni... I love the lyrics are so good. Bias SB19 Josh. Hi, Josh. Josh. Yes. Who guys? Wait. Fix you. Oh my God. I think 16 po kami. 16. When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. What was next? Wait, I forgot. Never mind. I forgot. Oh my gosh, wait. I will try to fix you. Oh my God. Sino pinaka-introvert? Naomi or Aya? I could say that. If we never try, how will we know? Baby, how far this thing could go? Give me a sign. don't wanna fall in love alone. Amen. I love that. So good. Si, wait lang. Si Ash yung pinakamatanda sa aming apat. Pinakamatangkad sa amin si Keisha. Keisha nakakainis. Nakakainis yung tangkad niya. Like, we're the same. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko hindi naman din yung pwede. Bias wrecker, I don't know. Recently, napabias rin ako kay Stel. I want you. Ain't nobody else is gonna do. I don't know what's my most expensive PC. Y'all choose. I think, right? I don't know. Never mind. Pinky. Oh my god. Yeah. Y'all choose. I have this. I think, yeah, I love Ashley, okay? Siya yata yung shortest sa amin, but I still love her, okay? Si Liana po yung eldest sa girls. Wani? Si Wanyo? I don't know, y'all. This is Wonyung 11 PC. Like, I took the last album and I got Wonyung. How lucky am I? Yeah. No, actually, I was lucky for this because I was looking for 11 album and I found it and I was blessed. Wow! I want a meaning like that. The meaning of my name is Moon. Yeah, the meaning of Selena's Moon. It's such a beautiful name. That's why my dog is named Tarak. Tarak means star. So I'm Moon means star. Diba? So great! So, wala lang. Doon lang ako magaling, guys. Okay? That's it. Yun lang ang bag ko. Ha! Shout out to Naomi Park supporters! My favorite K-drama currently is The Penthouse. Wait lang. Oh my God. Napakainit na. From Bicol. Hi! Hi, Chana. My favorite song from IVE. I Am or Kitsch. Uri mana jaga 19's Kitsch. Uri mana jaga 19's Kitsch. Wonyung or Yoonjun's my bias. I think si Ashley po yata yung shortest sa amin. I'm not sure though. I think it's Ashley. Who's the most pretty in Sparkle Teens? I don't honestly know. Ako. Ha! Joke lang. Just kidding. You know, honestly, it's funny because when I stand next to them, I always feel like hindi ako maganda. When being real, like, I'm not asking for a video or anything, but honestly, when I stand next to them, the first time I stood next to them and I looked at myself in the mirror against all of them, they were all so pretty and I was just there. That's how pretty they all are. And I mean, hindi kasi ako sanay sa, like, ganong, like, beauty. Like, everybody has their own beauty, don't get me wrong. But, honestly, when I first joined Sparkle Teens, like, they were all just stunning. And so, syempre ako din, di ba, kailangan ko naman din mag-adjust dun. So, yeah, I don't know, I just had that feeling talaga na they're also none. Let's not. No, we're not gonna cry. Okay, I'm okay. Yeah, but this is not to be a victim or anything. I'm just being real. But that was honestly my impression because they're all so pretty. They're all so pretty. And I was like, talaga bang kasama ako dito sa group na to? That was my impression. So, I can't really say who's the prettiest in Sparkle Teens because they're all so gorgeous. Ang bait-bait nyo naman. But of course nga, everybody has their own beauty. I see beauty in everybody. Like, even if you guys, like, think you're ugly, you're not ugly. Ugly is non-existent. That should never be a word. You should never think that you're ugly because you're not ugly. You know, sometimes I'm so curious, like, why is ugly a word? You know, I don't know why ugly is a word. Ngayon ko lang yun naisip. I don't know why that's a word. Because I really don't know. But I think that's so unfair. That there's a word that's ugly. Because it's so mean. Like, imagine I mean, kasi dati na-experience ka na din yun. Like, calling you ugly. Like, somebody calls you ugly. Like, do you find, like, it hurts? Oh, that's... Oh, wait, that hurts now. Sorry, guys. Medyo maano lang ako sa ganung bagay. Like, why are those things, like... Why are those things a word? I know, yeah, Jay. She's my bias sa Etsy. Yeah, no one's ugly. Like, even... Like... You can say that this person does. You can say that in your eyes they don't look good. You know, like you can always say that this person doesn't look good in your eyes, but there will always be someone in the world who will think that you're pretty, diba? Isn't that true or something? Like, there will always be one person or anyone that will think that you're pretty. Ba't ako nagpupuyat? Sorry, guys. Ganun pa lang naman! Diba? It hurts when you get called ugly, diba? And you know, yes, I stand in hyphen. Yeah, but it was also a fun fact about me. Yeah, oh my god, this is my opening up session, girl. No, but what do you call this? Wait lang, nalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko. Wait lang, let me just break this down again. Okay, wait lang. Any words to those who have insecurities in their beauty? My bias in hyphen is Hisung. K-pop idol. I've met ITZY in real life because I went to their fan meet. Hi, Chloe. Do you have advice to people with insecurities? You know, actually, ako kasi, this is my time to, yes, Mama B. Oo nga pala, sinot ko to sa Thailand. Wait, let me go back. Kasi ako, personally, I have insecurities of my own. Yeah. You know, I always watch this online. People, no matter what you do, people will always call you out for something. No? Like, don't you realize that there's always going to be someone in this world that will call you ugly or will call you fat? Or kahit kapag bumayat ka pa, sabihin nila na, pek mo naman, ba mami, lupel, ganyan. Like, everybody has their own insecurities kasi. And I guess, that's something that you can't get rid of easily. Let me be real with you, because I have insecurities na hindi ko pa rin siya natatanggal sa sarili ko. Like, hindi ko pa siya na-accept. Like, with my own heart and soul, hindi ko pa siya na-accept na may ganun akong insecurities. Or like, you know, sometimes you have your own insecurities to the point na you think you're not good enough, you know? That's what happened to me when my insecurities hit bad. But at the same time then, you know, I realized wala naman talagang titigil ng pagkakasabi sa'yo nun. Like, nobody, there will always be someone who will say bad things about you. So regardless of whatever insecurity you have, it's always important to accept that. so important to accept that you have that insecurity. And you have to turn that insecurity into something beautiful. Everybody has their own way of doing that, okay? Everybody has their own way. Ako, if I'm being real with all of you, kasi I'm very insecure about my... Oh my God, wait. I'm insecure about my face and my body in general. Kasi there was really a time na parang I don't look the same as the other people around me na kailangan kong magpaganto, ganyan, magpapayat. And I mean, kasi I accepted that I have that medyo problem. But then kasi naisip ko din na with this body I have, nakakapagbali ako, nakakapagganto, ganyan ako. Diba? I don't think you guys will accept... No, there's no one perfect in this world. Yes, I know Silver Squad. I used to watch them all the time. Thank you. You guys are also beautiful and handsome, okay? You guys are all amazing. Yeah. Okay, umiyak. Oh, yeah. Pero, until now, even at this very moment, I still struggle with that insecurity na parang, why don't I look good in this photo? That's why, kung nandun man kayo sa, hindi kasi, kung sino yung pinaka-perfectionist sa group. Ako yun. Nabanggit ako. Kasi I'm very observant with my details. I don't think people notice that I'm observant because normally medyo pa eme-eme lang ako. But, ganyan ba? No. I don't talk to them like this. I talk to myself like this. In my head, I do. Like, I talk this solemn to myself. Oh, teka lang, naiyak ako. Pero yeah, going back nga to the topic, there will always be someone who will judge you for how you look. That's so true, and I learned that growing up. I learned that growing up because that was a part of, like, palagi akong na-judge na ganun. But it's okay. Just know to yourself that it's okay that people judge you. Because you have something they don't. That's what I want to tell to people that have insecurities. Well, I feel like everybody has their own insecurities. People have, maybe you have something that they don't. And I'm sure it will be a good thing that you have something that they don't. And probably that's the reason why they judge you for that. So what kung hindi maganda yung ngipin mo? What if you have something they don't? Diba? Yeah. This is when that was a story time. No, I'm not gonna cry. I mean a little bit. Yeah, just know that wag kang umiyak. Good luck. Good luck, Aki. You can do it. Good luck. Diba? There will always come a time that people will judge you. It may not always be in front of your face that they judge you, but it can always be behind your back. Ako, recently, or like for the past few months, ganun yung nangyari. Like, people talk about you behind your back. And that's so normal, okay? If you think that you're the only one going through that, the people talk about you behind your back, that is not true. A lot of people go through that. Maybe in that moment, you'll think na ikaw lang yun, but other people will experience that too. Gcash ng hugs. Yeah. Just know, you know what? I want to tell you all na I'm always here. Okay? I'm always here. That's why, as much as I can, I mean, kasi ang dami nag-request yun sa inyo na in-message ko. As much as I can, I try to talk to all of you. Or like your messages. Yeah. So if you guys message me about your problems, I mean, you don't need to tell me, ha? I mean, hindi naman ako diary or something, okay? Hindi naman. Yeah, you guys can always tell me something. I mean, if you're, of course, willing to share that to other people, okay? This is not by force, but I mean, if you think makakatulong ako or something, essay ako. Yeah. But sometimes I become a therapist to other people. Sometimes. Not all the time, because I need therapy for myself. I need therapy as well for myself. But normally I give people, or my friends mostly, advice, and other people that I know. But, I mean, it doesn't always need to, if you have problems, diba, if there's diba may pag sinasabi na pag may problems ka, you should vent it out to some people. I understand you if hindi mo siya ma-vent sa tao. I understand you so much if you guys, diba pinagsasabihan tayo na it's not good to bottle up your feelings. Oh yeah, I mean, it's okay if you guys run, because I'm not sure if I can give you a good response, but if you guys have, I don't know, I'll be a therapist. Wait, what was I saying again? Teka lang, I'm gonna go back to what I was saying. Wait lang, I'm trying to recall it. Wait lang, nalimutan ko. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Pero, ayun. Basically, bottom line is love who you are. Ayun! Now I remember it. Ay, nalimutan ko na naman. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? Teka. I'll remember it. Wait, I'll remember it. Wait, I got this. Wait. Teka. Bumabalik na siya. Ayun. Sometimes it's not easy to rant to other people. That's what I was saying. I don't know if you guys find it easy to rant to other people, but ako kasi personally, I can rant to my friends, but there are just some things I can't tell them. I'm turning 49. Those people who always judge me, I can't handle them. Good luck sa school. It's so hard, diba? Parang sinasabi nila, don't bottle up your feelings. And you can just say it to other people. But what if you're that person na hindi mo lang talaga mabuga sa tao yun? No? Ako kasi, I struggled with that for so long. Hindi ko siya masabi sa tao. I tell my friends most of the things, but I can't tell them yung pinaka-deep sa akin. Yung true feelings ko. I love them, but sometimes it's hard for me to let it go. Kasi, I mean, it's hard kasi na baka mamaya, if sabihin mo sa kanila, tas, what do you call this? They might give the wrong impression of it. That's always scary, diba? And you don't want your friends or anybody in general to judge you for that, diba? You have depression. Oh. I've never, really experienced depression. I don't know how it feels like. If you guys have problems, sometimes what I do kasi, I don't know, I'll give you guys advice. A little advice. Kasi ako, when I have problems, I imagine, I love doing this. I don't know if this will work for you, but I imagine na, let's say it's about one person. I imagine that person and all the things that I want to say to that person na hindi ko nasabi sa kanya. I would, alam mo yung kinakausap mo yung wall? That's how, I don't know, but that works for me. I talk to the wall, I just pretend that he's there. And I just say all the things that I want to say to him. Sometimes when I do that, medyo nabibitaw ko yung stress sa tao yun. And although although kasi na, parang, I mean, syempre, baka hindi mo naman talaga yun masabi sa tao na yun. At least in some way na let go mo yung medyo burden na yun sa sarili mo. I don't know, but that works for me. I mean, it's okay if it doesn't work for you though. But, I mean, if that would work for you, that would good for you. Pero yeah, it's always good to talk to the wall or something. I don't know, if that would work for you, that's a good thing. But it works for me, that's why I just mentioned that. I normally talk to the wall and I pretend that that person's in front of me. And I really think, what would I say to this person if he was actually there? Sometimes, like, for me, it really works kasi sometimes nabibitaw ko yung galit ko. So, thank you. Pero ayun nga, if you guys ever struggle with depression, actually, at first, and I don't mean to judge ha, good night, tulog always well. I don't know, but I didn't really believe that depression was a word. At first, ha? Running on PH, oh my gosh, I haven't, like really discovered how what do you call this? Like, how it works. But I would love to try that, though. Running on PH. Wait, what was I saying? I didn't believe depression was a word at first. I thought na parang depression was just the same thing as, like, being sad and you bottling up all your problems. That's what I thought of depression at first. Like, I didn't really think of it as, like, a very deep thing. It was just, apparently, I thought of it as the same thing as, like, bottling up your emotions to yourself and you having a hard time letting go of that pain. No? I don't know if I'm right. Siyempre, you guys may have different opinions and I respect that, but that's what I thought at first about depression. But you know, there's no need for you to be depressed. Sometimes I keep hurting myself because I can't handle my emotions. Ako din. Sometimes I can't. You know, sometimes na, like, medyo nagiging moody ka sa mga tao na to the point na ayaw mo silang kausapin. That's me. So, if you're like that, that's okay. Healing is a long process. Like, healing from whatever you did to yourself or, like, hurting yourself, it's a long process. That's what I learned. That's what I know to be true is. So, I mean, I understand that. I really do. Just remember that you can't always hurt yourself. Think of that. Like, try not to hurt yourself, although it's difficult. Because, like, the more you think na sasaktan mo yung sarili mo because you're like this and you're like that, baka lumala na, diba? And we don't want that. I don't know, actually. That's medyo difficult. You can't handle your emotions. Yun nga, the best advice, talk to the wall. Kung hindi mo siya mabivent sa tao, talk to the wall. I don't know. Because I don't know if that works for you guys. I don't know. If that works for you, all good for you. But for me, because it works, like talking to the wall and just ranting out my problems. Like pretending I'm talking to someone. Hindi po ako pwedeng mag-room tour. Kahit gugustuhin ko, hindi ako pwedeng mag-room tour. Sorry. What does I want to? Okay. But yeah, friendly reminder to everyone, I love you guys. You are loved by me. If you think nobody loves you, I love you. Okay? Here we go again. How to handle insecurities. I don't show it in public. Good for you, boxing. Oh, I wanted to try boxing. They're like let go my feelings. For real. Sa July po ang ano. Sa July 22, I think. Oh, God, I'm not sure though. Pero ayun. Like, never show your insecurities to other people. Never! I learned that before and trust me, I never want to show it in front of anyone again, except my trusted friends. Kaya, binder tour. Di ba? Binder. Tinini. Ay, wait lang. Tama nga. Tinin. Nikki! Change topic. Do you guys have any questions? Hi, Nako James. What does come first? What does come first, though? Chicken or the egg? I think the egg. But how does the egg happen, though? Huh? Wait, I'm confused. Is it really the... Yes, I'm alive. That's a funny question. Am I alive? Yes, I'm alive. I miss Allah. Tomorrow's my special birthday, but I don't have family. I will be your family. Happy birthday. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. I just realized I opened up my whole heart and soul here. Oh my God. Wait, hindi ko lang na-realize, but it's okay. Fried chicken. Fried chicken talaga. Ganun ba? Wait, can I ask Google that? Chicken? Well, wait a minute. I'm curious. Hi, Kichar. Wait. What came? Wait, what came first? Oh my God. It's pretty safe to say that the egg came first because if there had been no egg, there would have been no chicken. But how does the egg happen, though? Oh my God, my deepest condolences to you. I'm so sorry that you had to go through that, though. Yeah, I like royal blood. It's cute. It's not cute. Well, I mean, the storyline's not cute, but I mean, it's nice. You're meant to inspire. Aww, thank you. Actually, one of my other dreams, because I was like, I wanted to be a therapist. I don't know, I just thought I could help people with that, like becoming a therapist. Hi, Tibra. Hello. So Google said that the egg came first. But what happened? Did the egg just drop out of nowhere and then pagka-crack was the chicken? Wait, that's confusing. Wait, I'm lost. Wait a minute. Inash yung buko. Hi, Celia.lover. Guys, I'm gonna end in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I think okay, sorry. Bakit yung tomato, yung tinawag sa tomato? Why? It's not. No, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. People have a problem. It's their problem, not yours, okay? If people ignore you, or if people avoid you, that's their problem. They're missing out on a great person, okay? Wow! Wow, ang galing ko dun, ha? Fairness. Di naman. But have you guys heard me yell? It's not good. Ito pa ang orange by kulay or prutas. It's both, girl. It's both. Oh my God. Hi, Francine. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm lost. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, why is it the cartwheel? What's with the cartwheel? Wala talagang sense yung question mo, James. Wala. Char, nakapag-away. Joke lang. Yeah, I feel na close kami, Princess. Recently, close ko talaga si Charlie. Can I ask you something? Because I'm curious what you guys think. Is anybody here? Wait a minute. Is anybody here? Okay. I'm gonna ask ask you all. And I want you to answer me. If they ask man for a partner sa gala, who would you, like, sino yung sa tingin nyo mapapartner ko? I wanna ask that because I was so curious what the fans think or what you guys think. Like, sino sa tingin nyo yung mga kasama ko? Lover. Wait, that was not good. Never again. Wait, huh? Oh, wait, huh? I wanna see what y'all think though. No, hindi pa ako naturuan. James, mag-away tayo. Okay. Alam mo, most of you think it's Aidan. Hi, Cassandra. Kuya Aidan. Oh, okay. I really thought na mapapartner si Princess and si Aidan. Honestly, dear Aidan. Okay. I love how you're showing that. That's so cute of y'all. Clifford. Oh my God, Clifford. Oh my God. Would not expect that of Clifford though. I would never expect to be partnered with Clifford. Never. Dear Clifford. Bagay kayo si Pizza. That was not... Oh my God, pinaalala kong... Oh no. Dear Aidan, sino magwawagi? Sino magwawagi? Wait, natawa ako. Dear Aidan. Why do you think it's them? Can I just ask? I'm sorry if you don't want to answer that, that's fine. Why do you think it's them? Sorry, I'm just so curious. Shout out to Ash Coconuts. I love that name. So cute, yung coconuts. Why do you think it's them though? Why? Can I just ask for a reason? I don't know if it's okay with y'all. Can I just... Oh my God. Are you close with Clifford? Sakto lang. I mean, not too much. Not too much, not too little. Pero walang away. Ako na. Tama! Tingnan na lang. Hey! Just lang. I mean, we're both dancerists. Huy! Yeah, because I keep seeing y'all's edits sa... What do you call this? I keep seeing y'all's edits kasi sa TikTok. So I was like wondering. Hindi, natatawa kasi ako sa inyo. Pwede, gusto niyo ba? Joke lang. Tinatanong ko po kung sino yung sino yung gusto niyong like maano sa gala, like yung ina-ideal niyong partner sa akin. Sino ba hindi? Ha? Joke! Hindi, joke lang. I'm not that pretty. Okay, y'all. Viewers. Oh my gosh. Actually, 1 year pa lang po ang SMS. Thank you. Gusto niyo ba? Think Aidan Pets. Does he really though? Do y'all really? What? Clifford? That's way out there. Wait nyo naman na. Thank you. Hi! Sino bang gusto ko? Gusto ko sarili ko. Eme! Kung ano? Then Richard. Thank you. Napaisip tuloy ako. Ship ka po sa Sparkle Teens. Secret. Malalaman nyo na. Ha? Joke. No, I don't know. Yes, I love myself, okay? Eme! Joke. QV. I love myself talaga. Surprise. Friends lang talaga si Bryce. Sinong mas close ko sa Sparkle Teens? Si Ashley. Silang apat nga yung ano namin. Yes! Sabi for others. Good night! Thank you. No, hindi po ako nagpapaderma. Never ako nagpaderma in my life. Thank you. Actually, I wouldn't know who to choose though. You like my humor? I have horrible humor. How do you like my humor? That's so confusing. Guys, alam ko na. Ito talagang, wait lang. Papakita ko kung sinong gusto ko yung makasama sa gala. Papakita ko sa inyo, Ito na. Amin na ako. Wait lang. Sabihin ko na, Gusto nyo makita? Gusto nyo makita kung sino? Gusto nyo makita kung sino? Hindi, gusto nyo makita? Meron ako picture. Picture niya.
Ha?
Gusto nyo ba? Papakita ko. 1. Wait, natatawa ako. Gusto nyo ba? 1, 2, tanan! Kala nyo! Tanan! My mama chup-chups. Oh! I used to watch Cold Squad before. Akala nyo? I love you guys. I'm sorry. Sorry guys. Guys, eto talaga. Him above everyone else in this world. The one and only Josh Cullen. I bought this in Thailand. These PJs itself. Sa Thailand yan. Yes, I love Josh Cullen. Grabe naman. Dapat sa teens. Eto guys. Eto na. Eto oh. Eto. Eto talaga. Chas! Joke lang. No, actually I wouldn't choose. I think everybody. All the Sparkle Teens. Sorry! Wait lang. I'm just kidding, y'all. I would never say. I would never say. Amen. But you know what, honestly? I would go by myself. Kala nyo Char. Pa-flex ang taper, it's pomporin. It's pomporin. I'm just kidding. There's nothing on the screen, okay? Don't worry. Guys, I love myself. That's true. Okay. Oh my god. Good night. Pamain. Add to cart. Shout out to Pia Nifes. Thank you. Wala po ako masyadong ship sa Sparkle Teens. I think anybody can be partnered with anybody. If you want my opinion. I think anybody can be partnered with anybody. That's what I think, of course. I mean, because everybody has different chemistry with other people. So, I mean, hi, Tito Chris, I miss you po. Scroll po kayo. Everybody has different chemistry with one another. So, you can't really, assume na kag. We can't really assume, actually. Even I can't. Yun lang. I'm supposed to end right now. But, I don't know. Do you guys have any questions? Or anything else? Oh, sis! Oh my gosh, thank you. Appreciate it though. Hirap pala mag-ano. I am entering 9th grade. Sobrang, di ba? In fairness, ako sumagod. Yeah, but it's true naman. Anybody can be partnered with anybody, okay? That's not ano naman. Good night. Wait lang, bago tayo mag-end. Exclusive lang makakakita nito sa 28 na nanonood. Gusto niyo ba makita tong picture na to? Wait lang, hahanap ako ng picture. Ay, hindi, napakita ko na to. Wait lang, maghanap ako ng iba. Magpapakita ako ng picture na dapat appreciate nyo na lang na sa inyo ko to pinakita. I would love to be kontrabida one day. I mean, kahit hindi na nga bida eh. I'd be happy. Guys, eto na. Ay, wait lang, napakita ko na din. Wait lang, ito na, para cute. Magpapakita ko na mga picture. Game na ba kayo? This is me. Uy, matakas mo ka ng gano'n. Oh my God. Uy, tahiya ako. Wait lang. Wala mo kayo. Sorry na talaga. Promise, hindi ko sinasadya. Sumig ko ng gano'n. Sorry na. Wait lang. Tinisan ko. Sorry. Hindi ko talaga yung exact kasi tatawa ko lang ganun. Oh, wait lang. Sorry na. Okay na po. Nakita niyo yung picture. Sorry. Okay na. Grabe naman kayo makadeserve dyan. Hindi naman din deserve yung ganong hatred, di ba? Nobody deserves hate. Oops. Yun naman ako. Nobody deserves hate, okay? No negativity. We love positivity here, okay? Yeah, ayan. It's one of the pictures. Hindi talaga ako na-hurt guys eh. Siya talaga. Sorry guys. Mood swinger! Yeah, ayan. Ay, hatog. Yan. Paano mag-self-love? How do you love yourself? Wait a minute, how do I love myself? By accepting your insecurities. That's how you would love yourself. That, out of everything, that's how you love yourself. Accept your flaws. Like me accepting this picture right now. Ay, akala ko may pinapakita ko yan. Wala. Wait lang, meron pa ako dito eh. I have a lot of pictures here. Ay, nakita ko na kasi itong video na to eh. Guys, magluluto ba kayo? Sama niyo na din to. Sorry. Yan. Isama niyo na din to sa pagkakain. Nag-training ka sa picture. No, it was just 3 pictures of like that. Wait, I'll show you a picture of me in ballet. Wait now. This one. This is Samsung. Look at that. Shout out, Cassandra. Yan. Nakasplit ako dyan. I love the splits. It's my favorite. Hey, wait lang, I have a sleepover. Ray! Nasaan si Ray? Ray! Ray, pagpakita ka muna. Ray! Ray, magpapakita ako ng picture na kasama ka. Yes, of course, because I've continued dancing pa naman that I haven't stopped. Hi! Ray, I'm here. Shout out to Ash Coconuts. Hello. Wait lang. This is random now. Ta-da! This is me in the purple, and then Ray is in the middle, and then Jamila is on the right, over here. Yes, I used to play Ana before sa school play namin. Or sa school in general. Hello! Parang bilis ng panahon. No! Hindi na tayo cute, be. Hindi na tayo cute. What happened? Isa pa to. I hate this picture, but it's so cute. I just copied it, y'all. If y'all took a picture of that, that's good for you. Yeah, I love my friends. Forever ko silang mahal. Wait lang nga. Wala ko sa sarili. Ay! Oh my God! Sorry. Uy! Ako na siya. Just. Joke lang, guys. Joke lang yun. Wait. Oh my God, Ray, meron pa isang picture mo dito. Oh my gosh. Ang daming memories. Oh my God! Do I show you guys that? Do I not? Wait lang. Exclusive lang to. Mabuti wala yung sparkle tips kasi papakita ko to sa inyo. Baka mahiya ako. Game. Gusto nyo ba marinig? Gusto nyo ba? Late yung chat. Kaya eto na lang. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Good night. Hi, Mia. I love this video. Video. Tara! Come here! Ayaw. Wow. Sungit. Yung ko ba? I don't want to recall that anymore. This is not a good moment. That was not my best era. Let's be real. That was my cute era though, but not my best era. Tara! Come here! Come here! Halika! Wow! Nasa ka? Halika. Mag-usap tayo. Halika. Tara! Halika! Halika! Huy! Ang hirap mag-adjust, be. Be? Hindi ako pwedeng... Dad, can you help me? I'm calling. Tara! Ay. Wait lang, guys. Mag-e-end na ako. Era. It was a time period. A time. And Dad, can you give me Tara, please? Please send me to him. Yes, he's my dog. Coming. You say hi. Oh, you say good night now, because we're gonna end now. Bye-bye! You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Go, 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 go. You say bye. Come on, come on, come on. Wait lang, wait lang. You say bye. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, wait. You say bye-bye. 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 Naman ang lungkot ng boto. You say bye, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Uy! Bye-bye! Ayun. Sige na, baba na. Go na. Go to daddy. Bye-bye! I love you guys. Ingat kayo palagi, ha? I love you all. Please stay safe. And I'll see you when I see you, okay? I love you guys. Shout out again to Cassandra. Thank you, everyone. Please stay safe always, okay? Love you all. Bye. 사랑해요.